Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this picture and then they want to do it with the letter H. I've already kind of done it off of their drawing. They sent me these two H's. They can't get the snap to work. And I'm using his file, but I don't know if that always comes through. I emailed him back and forth and sent him a screenshot to this, and he's got snap to object selected. But if you take a 2-point line, it doesn't show you. I think it's because it's on a skew. Let's type the letter H. I think that's just Arial. And let's left click, right click, and let's take a 2-point line. See, I'm getting that same deal. What the problem is, snap to object, this is not an object. This is an H, an Arial. So what you have to do with both these H's, select them both and go to object and convert them to a curve. Now watch what happens. 2-point line snaps to that node. And then you can finish the project. It's kind of I missed that. Kind of a neat looking thing, I guess. And I don't really know what it's for, and then we could take, and a lot of good things. Let's see how big this thing is. Ooh, 42 inches. Let's make our nudge factor like 50. And I like doing this, nudging this out of the way. And I actually made that other one. And then take this one and nudge it out of the way the other way and make it a gray. And then move these back and use the tool on this blue and see what it did. It did not, you're going to have to smart fill all the line. But it did not. And also I would actually take it, and when I smart fill, I would move it out of the way and then smart fill all that. Or you can just take them all and right click up here, no outline. The one I made first is a little bit slanted. So anyway, you can't snap to a font. I never really thought about it. If we let's take an indexing line. It looks like it snaps to it, but it doesn't really. So let's go and turn this into a curve. And now bring the indexing line and see it snaps on the node so you're there. You can snap to right there. When you're on the edge, it's telling you an edge. So if it's a font, I guess I've never tried it, but snap to does not work. Anyway, I hope that helps him a little bit. Thank you for watching.